This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Naomi Race. Gorgeous one-level, full brick, ranch-style home with large driveway, inviting front porch that welcomes you inside to an open floor plan, beautifully updated kitchen with all stainless steel appliances included. 3 beds, 2 baths with great updates throughout. Outside you will find a fully fenced yard with a fully powered workshop and gardening shed. This yard is absolutely stunning in the spring/summer/fall. Relax in the hot tub under the pergola that both convey with the home. For more information or a private showing on this home, please call the Naomi Race Group at 704-774-9710 www.smilesandkeys.com for more information. Review the details below.